Hello and welcome. Let me introduce you to Mowena. This is my brand new 2025 UX 300H. Just bought it here in Augusta, Georgia. We're a little damp because I got caught in a little bit of snow today. But this channel you're going to be able to look forward to. I'm going to be documenting everything I do with this car, maintenance, service history, especially all the DIY stuff. I want to, show people how to do things that they may want to try to do on their own. But we're going to be moving at the pace that I put miles on the thing. And right now, we got 30 miles. So, first item, I always put a certain brand and type of air filter, cabin air filter in my cars. So that's actually on the way. And that'll be the very first video I do is how to change your own carbon air filter, or how to change your own air filter. Next thing that will happen is the 1,000 mile service. I'm very particular and very detailed about my break-in period and how I break in my cars. Very careful. I do everything correctly with them. And then I do a oil change at 1,000 miles to get all the wear material out, and we'll discuss that. And I'll give you some links to videos from actual experts. I'm just a garage guy, but experts are who I've consumed, and so I hopefully share that with you. And I'll do another one at 3,000 and 5,000 and 7,500. So this car will have 4 oil changes before the very first Lexus technician does an oil change at 10,000. So after that, I've got the service package. So of course it's going to get serviced every 10,000 with an oil change, and our maintenance package, it's called, by Lexus. I think I said Toyota earlier. And it'll get serviced there. And every interval between that at 5,000, I'll be doing my own. And yeah, we'll just be talking through it. And I look forward to you joining me on this journey.